Spring is here and your garden is waking up. If you're new to gardening, you might be wondering, where do I even start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the essential steps to prepare your garden for March. By the end, you'll feel confident, excited, and ready to grow like a pro. Let's get started. 1. Prepare your soil. First things first, your soil is the foundation of your garden. Healthy plants start with healthy soil. Begin by testing your soil's pH using a simple test kit from your local garden store. If your soil is too acidic or too alkaline, you can adjust it with common soil amendments. Next, loosen the soil. If it's sitting all winter, it's likely compacted. Use a garden fork or tiller to break it up. This improves drainage and makes it easier for roots to grow. Finally, enrich your soil with compost. Compost is like magic. It adds nutrients and improves texture. Spread a layer over your garden beds and mix it in. Your plants will thank you. 2. Clean up your garden. With your soil ready, it's time to clean up. Winter often leaves behind debris like dead leaves, broken branches, and weeds. Clear all of that out to give your garden a fresh start. Think of it as spring cleaning for your outdoor space. While you're at it, prune any overgrown shrubs or trees. Pruning promotes healthier growth and gives your garden a neat, tidy look. And don't forget to add mulch. A layer of mulch helps retain soil moisture, suppresses weeds, and protects plant roots. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. 3. Start planting. March is the perfect time to plant cool season crops like lettuce, spinach, carrots, and peas. These plants thrive in cooler weather and will give you a head start on your garden. If you're starting from seeds, follow the instructions on the packet. For transplants, make sure to space them properly to avoid overcrowding, which can lead to problems later on. Here's a pro tip. Try companion planting. Some plants grow better together. For example, planting basil near tomatoes not only enhances flavor, but also helps repel pests naturally. It's like having a bodyguard for your garden. 4. Protect your garden. Now that your plants are in the ground, it's time to protect them. Pests are attracted to fresh, tender plants, so stay on top of things. One effective way to control pests is by introducing beneficial insects. Ladybugs, for instance, feed on aphids, a common garden pest. You can attract them naturally by planting flowers like marigolds or ordering them online. If pests show up, go for organic solutions like neem oil or insecticidal soap. These are safe for your plants and the environment. Remember, early detection is key, so keep an eye on your garden regularly and act quickly if you spot any issues. Before we wrap up, here's something to think about. Gardening isn't just about growing plants, it's about growing yourself. Every seed you plant, every weed you pull, and every harvest you enjoy teaches you something new. Take pride in your garden and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow. That's your March gardening checklist. From preparing your soil to planting your first crops, you're now ready to tackle the season like a pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's just starting out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your garden the best it can be. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.